Welcome to the Philips Outdoor 360-degree Wi-Fi camera unboxing and installation guide. We are excited to help you turn your house into a safer home with our cutting-edge technology. Let's unbox the Philips Smart Outdoor 360-degree camera to see what's inside. Inside the box, you will find the outdoor camera unit, an adapter, a QSG, 4 plugs, 4 screws, and a mounting sticker. Before we begin the installation, let's make sure we have everything we need. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, your Wi-Fi password. Also ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you intend to connect your camera with. Now let's download the Philips Home Safety app and pair your camera. To pair your camera, follow these instructions. Fill in the basic details that are asked. Tap on Add Device. Continue after checking all the requirements. Select the camera you want to connect. Connect your camera to a power source. Open the cover by hand. Use a pen to press the reset button for 5 seconds until the camera starts to beep. The LED will start to blink red when pairing mode is active. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to. Scan the QR code by displaying it in front of the camera and wait for the beep. After you hear the beep, tap on I heard a beep and wait for your camera to get paired. In addition to viewing live events, you can also view recorded events by inserting an SD card into your Philips Home Safety camera. With your camera successfully paired, you can now install it wherever you want. Follow these instructions for mounting. Ensure that a power source is within reach before mounting the device. Note that the camera comes with a 1.5 meter cable. For optimal performance, mount the camera at a height of at least 2.5 meters. Use the guide sticker in the box to mark where to drill the screws. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Philips Smart Outdoor 360-degree camera and can now enjoy a safer home.